This happens very often. A swimmer corrects their technique with some drills in practice, and then, during the race, after they get a little tired, their technique falls apart and they swim with their old technique. If this is you, or if you're a coach and this sounds like one of your swimmers, what can you do to fix this? Here are 2 things you can do for the changes to be more permanent. Spend more time correcting the new technique through repetition. Most of us, including me, correct our technique once for about 1 or 2 25s and think, that's it, I'll be way faster now, as if it was a new superpower we just acquired. But the truth is, we need to practice it way more so that we can swim like that during a race. From what I've seen, it depends on how experienced you are as a swimmer. If you're just learning and have less than a year swimming, then 2 to 4 days might be enough, because you need to unlearn less than an experienced swimmer. If you have more than 5 to 10 years of experience, then you need to work on it for several months for 3 to 4 times a week. Correct your technique while you're tired. The way you practice technique corrections is also very important. Most coaches put technique sets at the beginning of practice. This makes sense, because technique sets are a good way to warm up and activate the muscles you will need for the main set. You're also fresh, and thus, you can think about the movements with more clarity. However, not doing any technique work after or during the main set as well is a big mistake. When you swim past a certain speed, your body goes into autopilot. And if you have swum only one way while going fast, that's how you're gonna swim during the race, no matter how many drills you do. We recommend correcting technique while you're tired and going fast so that you swim well in autopilot. Also, remember that the more experience you have, the longer it will take you to unlearn an old technique. Has your technique fallen apart while you were swimming a race? Leave a comment below if it has. If you want to watch another tutorial to perfect your technique, click on this video here. See you there, swim fast!